English tongue twisters. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red. Yellow. Lorry. Red. Lorry. Yellow. Lorry. Red lorry. Yellow lorry. Red lorry. Yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Ready to practice? Repeat the following tongue twister 1, 2, and then 3 times. Red lorry, yellow lorry. All right, it's your turn. Practice number 2. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. All right, it's your turn. Remember to say it 2 times in a row. Okay, everyone, we're down to our last practice. This time, we're going to be saying the tongue twister 3 times in a row. Let's do it. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Your turn. Don't forget to say the tongue twister 3 times in a row. Great job, everyone! Don't forget, tongue twisters are the most fun when you repeat them 3 times in a row as fast as you can.